What's up everybody, Emily here. Let's talk about the step up today. A great single leg exercise for the quads and the glutes. So here's what it should look like. First off, what you should know about it, you can use any level. So if you're more of a beginner, use the first stair to a staircase or even lower if you need to. And then if you're more advanced, use something a little bit higher. So that's definitely going to up the ante depending on where you're at. I want you to be able to do 15 body weight only, so holding no weight step-ups before going to add more weight. So if you can't do 15 at the level that you're trying to do with good form, then you just need to probably work up to 15 or even go down to a different level. Okay, so when you do add weight, what I want it to look like, so I'm going to step up on this bench and I'm going to come down under control. I do not want you to cheat with the back leg pushing off, okay? Come down under control, really lean into this quad that's working here on the bench. Stand up, come back down, and I like to just leave the foot on the bench. Again, not pushing off and coming down under control and not just falling down to the ground. And again, as I said, if I want to elevate it, if I wanted to hold weights here, you can do that. Come down under control. Okay, so that is the step up. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a try. Amazing single leg exercise. Really going to build that strength in your legs.